Welcome back. We're gonna demonstrate how to draw a staircase in one-point perspective today. We're gonna draw this little shape. It's 1 inch wide. First step is 2 inches, followed by 1, 2, 3, 4 1-inch steps. The footprint is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1. So I'm going to put my drawing right here and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to situate the shape right there. The tricky thing here is that this object, if it's facing us, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different faces. And so it might seem that we need 5 different rulers to draw it, but I'm going to show you how to draw it with only one ruler by beginning in the back of the shape instead of the front. So the shape is, what do we say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units tall in the back. So that's where I'm going to make my ruler. And I'm going to mark my ruler up with 1-inch increments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to transfer those to a vertical starting on the back corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to draw that vertical. With my triangle. Carry that over so I know how high up to go. And down to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to use my vanishing point, and I'm going to pull some orthogonals towards me from these points. That's the top one. Notice I'm lined up with my vanishing point and my little mark. And really all I'm doing here is I'm creating a kind of grid along the side of the object. And in the same way that it would be very easy to draw a staircase on a piece of graph paper that was not in perspective, if we create a perspective grid, we can easily create the staircase in perspective on that grid. So those are my orthogonals. Now I'm going to zoom in a little so you can see what's next, because we're not going to need the vanishing point for this step. So there we go. So the camera angle is a little weird. That's when my vertical looks tilted. Let me slide it more towards the center. There we go. So now I'm going to go from my front corner straight up 2, because remember this is what we're drawing. First step is 2 inches. So straight up 1 and 2. See, my second My second mark is at this level. Now I'm going on the ground. I'm going to go back 1 inch, mark my point, slide my triangle over, and go straight up 1 at that level. Then I'm going to go back 1 more unit and straight up 1 there. 1 more. And 1 more. So we've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You'll notice that last step is really foreshortened. Now I'm going to create this vertical and slide my T-square up. And create a horizontal from this corner, horizontal from here, horizontal here, and I'm just pulling horizontals across from each intersection. And I'm just making them all a little longer than I think they're going to have to be. Like that. And to finish the drawing, I'm going to need an orthogonal from this corner. This again goes to my vanishing point. It ends at that horizontal, and then I go up to the next one, and then back to the vanishing point, and to the next one, back to the vanishing point, next one, back to the vanishing point, and finally the very top step. And what I hope you'll appreciate is that the devices of the grid and the vanishing point allowed us to account for all these extremely foreshortened distances. And to draw this fairly accurately using only one ruler. That's probably the most boring video I've ever made, but hope you find it useful. Thank you.